Why honesty matters. Hi, my name is Jacob, and my English isn't very good. I struggled with depression and keep loneliness, but today I feel little better. Why? Because I chose to be honest. A while ago I asked for help. I was in complete despair, and I was scared to reach out to others because I have been hurt too many times before. So being honest about my pain wasn't easy. But something beautiful happened last night. I talked to a kind person. At first I didn't think the talk would mean anything because I felt hopeless. But when I finished, they said, "Hope is born in the middle of despair. Without darkness, we can't see the light." They respect me. That give me a feeling I haven't had in a long time. A good feeling. A good feeling. I still have a lot of problems inside and outside, but today feels better than yesterday. If you're out there and you hear me, I love to talk. You are not alone. Thank you.